is there an easy way out for folks when it comes to the fine-tuning argument or to the information argument by simply saying that there is no such actual distinction between meaningful information and Shannon information? There's no such distinction between fine-tuning and non-fine-tuning, except that we're here to see it. In other words, if the only thing that distinguishes an information-rich segment of text from a non-information-rich segment of text is the fact that we speak English. So if there's a bunch of letters and we can read them, then we think that they're meaningful. If there's a bunch of letters and we can't read them, we think that they're not meaningful. So in other words, are we reverse projecting mind onto a universe simply because we're here to perceive it?
Because we do objectively recognize meaning and function. There is a possibility of false negative judgments. We might see a string of characters and not know the symbol convention, and therefore conclude that that string is just random or complex without being specified. But when we make a qualitative judgment of specificity of arrangement, when we see that the arrangement of characters is necessary to perform an independently observable function, that's a kind of information that is real and is something that we know is only associated with the causal activity of intelligent agents. So no biologist really, when you get down to it, wants to say, well, the sequence of characters in the DNA, the A's, C's, and G's in the DNA molecule, the arrangement doesn't matter for building proteins, because all we have to do is change the arrangement and see that the protein unfolds and doesn't catalyze a reaction. There's a real objective way of recognizing function in biology, just as there is in human language. So I think this qualitative in the information sciences, there's a distinction between specified or functional information on the one hand and mere complexity or randomness or Shannon information on the other. Okay. And that's a real distinction, and it underwrites the whole case for intelligent design. You're right.
Okay, so the